morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Hope you all had a great evening and happy Friday. In terms of what we've seen so far today, things have been relatively quiet in terms of news flow, and that has been reflected in the volumes. Just around 140, 150,000 Bund futures changing hands thus far, heading toward the North American Open. In terms of the Greek situation, having seen the passage of both the implementation and the PSI votes in the Greek Parliament, we have seen a degree of risk on trade, particularly in the euro currency, which is looking to test up at around the 134 handle. That marks roughly around a 2.5 month high there in the major pair. In terms of cable, we did see a brief 15 pip move lower and a bit of movement in the gilt future. That came after the preliminary, that's the second reading of Q4 UK GDP, was unrevised on the quarter reading, but revised downward by 0.1 to 0.7% for the year-on-year. That has, though, been reversed, and cable, though, is trading now back up toward the 158 handle for the time being. Looking elsewhere, in terms of equity-specific news, one of the bigger UK banks, Lloyd Banking Group, reported pre-market today. They had a £2.8 billion loss, and they also said that a PPI charge of £3.2 billion was the chief reason for that. They have traded down around 1.25% for the best part of the session. Looking forward then, in terms of the US calendar, we'll get the February Michigan final report, and we'll also look out for the new home sales data from the US. So a couple of highlights to come. But that's pretty much it from me for today and this week. So wish you all a great trading day and a fantastic weekend.